Hey, it's Shaun Nichols, your friendly Columbia real estate agent, and today we're out taking a look at a model home called the Meriweather by Mungo Homes. Now, this model is located in the Ellington community in Elgin, South Carolina, but Mungo's actually building this home in 17 different communities in different configurations throughout South Carolina, North Carolina, and Georgia. So let's jump in and take a look at this property. So the Meriwether is a two-story home by Mungo Homes. It comes with 2.5 or 3 bathrooms, anywhere from 3 to 5 bedrooms, and up to 2,241 square feet, depending on the configuration that you choose. So since this is a model home, you'll see that the sales center is actually in where the garage would be. So those big glass doors on the front are actually going to be where your garage is. Now, it's important for me to mention that I do not work for Mungo Homes. I'm actually an independent real estate agent with Exp Realty. But I do love working new construction homes. I've got a great connection with a lot of the builders here in the area. So if you're interested in getting a new construction home, one of the issues you'll find is that there's no centralized location where you can get all the information on all of the builders. So I encourage you, if you're interested in this home or any new construction home throughout the South Carolina Midlands, whether that's Lexington or Richland counties, I encourage you to book a call with my team here so that we can set up a time to figure out exactly what you're looking for and I can get you into the right community. Now, because this is an ongoing new construction build being built in several different communities throughout the area, the pricing and availability vary from location to location. So I'll put a link down in the description for you to get the most updated pricing and available homes throughout all of the communities. All of that being said, I hope you enjoy this tour and let me know in the comments below what you think of the Meriweather. Okay, so like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, this home is actually in the Ellington community in Elgin, South Carolina. Even though it is being built in multiple communities throughout the area, I wanted to let you know I've actually done a drone tour of Ellington. It's an amazing luxury community in Elgin, right on the border of Kershaw County. So if you want to see more about this specific community, I'm going to have that video coming out in the next couple of weeks, so I encourage you to subscribe to this channel. And if you enjoyed this video tour, I encourage you to watch this video next.